Dylan Thomas is best remembered for his brilliantly funny and wonderfully crafted Under Milkwood, a radio play for voices, a project he completed only weeks before his death. It is spring, moonless night in the small town, starless and Bible black, the cobbled streets silent and hunched, coaters and rabbit's wood limping invisible down to the slow black, crow black, fishing boat bobbing sea. The houses are blind as moles, though moles see fine tonight in the snouting velvet dingles, or blind as Captain Cat there by the pump and the town clock, the shops in mourning, the welfare hall in widow's weeds, and all the people of the lulled and dumbfound town are sleeping now. Only you can see, in the blinded bedrooms, the combs and petticoats over the chairs, the jugs and basins, the glasses of teeth, "Thou shalt not" on the wall, and the yellowing dicky-bird watching pictures of the dead. Only you can hear and see, behind the eyes of the sleepers, the movements and countries and mazes and colours and dismays and rainbows and tunes and wishes and flight and fall and despairs and big seas of their dreams. From where you are, you can hear their dreams. And at the door of Bethesda House, the Reverend Eli Jenkins recites to Llanrygr Hill his sunset poem. Every morning when I wake, dear Lord, a little prayer I make. Oh, please to keep thy loving eye on all poor creatures born to die. And every evening at sundown, I ask a blessing on the town. For whether we last the night or no, I'm sure it's always touch and go. We are not holy, bad or good, who live our lives under Milkwood. And thou, I know, wilt be the first to see our bedside, not our worst. Oh, let us see another day. Bless us this night, we pray, and to the sun we all will bow and say goodbye.